TYPHON TERROR 19 Storm Mini Excavator, a 4,000-pound trench digger with boom swing, canopy, and retractable tracks. This compact excavator is designed to take on small projects with big results. The TYPHON TERROR 19 Storm is specially engineered for small construction projects, with a compact yet reliable design that ensures easy maneuverability. In tight spaces, this mini excavator is perfect for drilling, digging, grabbing, ditch cleaning, rock breaking, landscaping, and more. Small but powerful Kubota D902 engine, a vertical, water-cooled, 3-cylinder, 4-cycle ID diesel engine with a capacity of 11.8 kilowatts per 15.8 horsepower at 2,300 RPM and 20.4 horsepower at 3,600 RPM. The TYPHON TERROR 19 Storm is easy to maneuver, even for first-time users. It features a 415mm wide bucket and 230mm track width for better traction and control. With full hydraulic control, operators enjoy smoother motion, better stability, and more precise operation. Boom swing adds 45 degrees left and right, deflection, enhancing flexibility. With retractable tracks ranging from 1 to 1.3 meters, the TYPHON TERROR 19 Storm Mini Excavator. Small in size, mighty in performance. Ideal for construction sites, farms, gardens, and landscaping projects. Visit typhonmachinery.com to learn more.